hear it. Oh, it's right there. Why is it? You know what, y'all? I'm killing it. Hey guys, what's good? It's Brittany, and I know my setup today is a lot different. I'm actually in my new apartment and I'm sitting outside on my patio. There are a ton of like bugs and butterflies. I feel like I'm in the wild right now because it's just a lot of like trees and greenery around me. I do have my citronella candle going, so hopefully that will world. Okay, so if you guys hear traffic, it is because I'm off of a busy street and it's close to rush hour, so I think people are just coming home right now. So today's video is a tag, and I'm not sure if it was started by KW Shops or by Yoshea Luxe. I will link both of those lovely ladies' channels in the description box, but basically it is a luxury impulses buy tag where I will share with you all my luxury impulse buys, just kind of the story behind it, and yeah, we'll have a good laugh. So if you are new here, again, my name is Brittany and I post videos twice a week on starting my luxury collection, dupe videos, or the look for less, and also fashion. So if you like any or all of those things, definitely subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a future upload. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I am going to start with my very first luxury purchase, which is the Louis Vuitton Sarah wallet in the multicolor noir. Now, this is the piece that started my luxury collection. I didn't know anything about Louis Vuitton. I have literally watched a few of Luxe Mommy's videos, a few of Minx for All, and some of KW Shop's videos, and I decided to just like go head first and get a Louis Vuitton item. I was not an informed buyer when I bought this. I saw it on Vestiaire Collective and I just bought it. Like, there was no thinking about it, there was no sitting on it. I just bought it. And looking back on it, like, this would not have been my very first purchase looking back on it. I think I just saw how pretty it was and I got it. So I probably would have talked them down on price or just passed on it had I noticed the stretched out guard slots before I got it. And then also, as you can see here, it is stamped, and I feel like now I wouldn't go for items that have stamps on it unless it was just really rare or just really inconspicuous. So looking back on it, I definitely think this was an impulse buy. So I really don't use it that much because I just don't feel comfortable using, there's a bee, ooh, bee, ooh, oh bee, oh, I never got stung, don't let this be the one time. Okay, y'all, so I see a bee, and I don't know if I should spray this or not, because if I don't get it, will it kill me? Okay, we'll continue. I'll keep this on standby, but we'll continue. And I think another reason why I got this is because I was just really excited that it was multicolor, and I know that multicolor is I hear it. Oh, it's right there. Why is it? You know what, y'all? I'm killing it. All right, guys, so I'm back inside the house, the B1, and I've never gotten stung. Today is not the day, so we're just gonna finish this inside my apartment. So I'll go in chronological order. So my next luxury impulse buy is this old model Pochette Accessoire. The reason why this was a impulse buy is because I got this from Poshmark, and I didn't realize that on Poshmark, once you put in a bid for something, if they accept it, then you bought it. And so I put in kind of a ridiculously low bid on this, and surprisingly I got it. The only thing is I had really spent like all my money and I was not expecting to purchase anything, so to get something close to $200 just come out of my account immediately. Okay, okay. But no, so that's how I ended up with this, and that's why I consider it an impulse buy, because I was just perusing the section. I was not seriously considering purchasing this, But in hindsight, I'm really happy that I got it because it's literally one of my favorite bags, one of my most used bags. The use per wear on this is ridiculously low because, like I said, I spent less than $200 on it and I use it all the time. I actually bought this strap to go with it. So yes, this is impulse buy number 2. Now impulse buy number 3, this is going to be weird, y'all. Like this is a weird one, but it is this. And you probably don't even know what this is. Well, my friends, this is a fur handbag handle. So as you can see, it's got the 2 little gold clasps right there, and this is from Fendi. I don't know if you can really see that, but it does say Fendi right there on both sides. And okay, so I bought this in the winter time, but it was like towards the end of winter, and this was on Fashion File, and I thought that this would be so cute to go on my little mini bags. So I thought the way I would wear this is like clip it on and then clip it on there, and it would be a cute little like wintertime little moment. I don't know. I don't know what I thought. I mean, I will say the fur is soft, but yeah, I thought that I was just gonna be doing it. But by the time like I got this and was playing around with it, I was like, why the hell did you buy that? I don't know. I think I'm actually still going to keep it because I still, in my mind, I still feel like there's some type of cute way to do this. I mean, even if it's like just hanging there and then I have this as a shoulder. I don't know. Is that cute? I don't know. But this was definitely an impulse buy. Like, I just saw it and I thought it was really cute and I bought it. So, I know, very weird. But this little Fendi mini bag fur handle is impulse buy number 3. And then last but not least, so this item is actually not the impulse buy. This is what I replaced it with. But if you guys remember, I did have a luxury regret video where I impulsively bought a Damier Ebene card holder. I just wanted to show you guys something, but I will go ahead and put a picture of what that card holder looks like here. But I went to the Louis Vuitton store in Austin and I was actually looking for the giant monogram stuff, and I ended up walking out with the Damier Ebene card holder. All right, so those are my luxury impulse buys. So I would be very curious to know in the comments if you guys have had luxury impulse buys. If so, what were they? I do want to tag a few people because I'd be curious to know what their impulse buys are. So I would like to tag Irene at Be Fabulous With Me. I would like to tag Deline at Yoshea Luxe. And I would also like to tag Yoda at Yoda Luxe as well. So it would be so cool if you ladies did this tag as well. If not, of course, no pressure. If you like this video, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. All right, so if you really want to see the bee footage, I'll go ahead and post it. But remember to be good to yourselves and stay away from bees. Bye, guys. Mwah.